now the most of you actually having a problem on your grammar. Actually, I do have that mistakes. Even I do grammar mistake. So what I do actually now when I'm typing this piece of message, I say dear Danush, here we. So here I want to here I wanted you to thank for. Now see, now when I'm making this, when I type this, I find the syntax error, grammatical mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, and all of those. So what happened, there's a software I have installed which is called as a Grammarian. So Grammarly, this is a software I'm talking about that installed in my machine. Now see what happened, he's suggesting me the corrections. The mistakes are shown. Now see in my Danush, it say Danish because the norm is there, not there. So by installing this Grammarly software into your browser, so you can reduce the number of grammar mistakes and the spelling mistake that you do in your emailing. So I'll say even color here is the best what we need to do. And just typing here without any order. So the color even accepted as American English, but anyway, the grammatical mistakes will be shown. Now see, if I click here, he go back to the suggestion on area, and he's telling what's wrong in my mail, and he's giving me a suggestion. The Danush is not a dictionary. If you sure this spelling is correct, you can add it into the prediction. So I'm sure about this spelling. I'm going to edit this to a dictionary. Uh, Fine, then Dhanush will be correction. So there's another mistake in my email footer will be say resulting in, it's corrected. So fine. So easy of this software. Even it's good. Whenever you type a message in your email by using Gmail, he will correct all the mistakes for us and do the needful. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to install this Grammarian into your machine.